Hello friends! So hope all are doing good. Today I'll be showing crocheting. So let me tell you one thing for the beginners. The crocheting and knitting are both different. So I'll be showing the materials needed for crocheting. This is crocheting hook or needle. This is the basic thing you need for crocheting. This is available in different size. So today I'll be using a small size needle. Then normal woolen thread like this. This is also available in different sizes and colors, and it is also available in most of the stationery shops. So I'll be using white color thread. Today I'll be showing you crocheted granny square because it is an easy pattern for the beginners. So I'll be showing this in the size apt for this table. Okay, so let's get started. So in the beginning, we'll start with a slip knot. I'll show you how to do a slip knot. Just make a cross like this and insert the thread through the knot and tighten. I'll show you again, okay? Just make a knot like this. Then insert the thread through the loop and hold both the thread like this. Then tighten. Now you got a loop. Insert your crocheting needle inside it and tighten it. Okay? Hold firmly the down part of the thread with the thumb and the ring finger. I'll show you like this. Can you see? I'm holding with the thumb and the ring finger the down part, and the upper part I'm holding tight with the index finger and the middle finger. Hold it firm. Now I'm going to show you how to do chain stitch. Now I'll be holding the first chain with thumb and ring finger. Hold the upper part firmly. Yarn over. Insert through the loop. So second stitch. Third stitch. I'll show you again. Third stitch is done. Okay, now I'll be doing one more stitch. Total 4 chain stitch we'll be doing. Hold it properly. Yarn over. Insert through the loop. So 4 chains are ready. Now we will be connecting to our first stitch. We'll be doing slip knot to the first stitch. Insert the hook through the first chain stitch. Can you see? Yarn over. Insert the thread. Can you see 2 loops? Okay, insert the needle through the 2 loops. Yarn over. Pull the thread through both the loops. Now we have made a ring. This is the basic of our granny square. Can you see? We have made a ring. Now we'll be doing 3 chain stitches. First chain stitch. Hold properly the ring. Insert the hook. Second chain stitch. Third chain stitch. Done. So we have made the first double crochet with 3 chains. Now I'll be showing how to do double crochet. Okay? Yarn over. Insert the hook through the ring. Pull the thread through the ring. Now we got 3 loops. Pull the thread, yarn over, and pull the thread through 2 loops. 1, 2. Can you see? 2 loops. Through that, pull the thread. Now again we'll get 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull the thread to 2 loops. So first double crochet I have shown you. Now do one more double crochet. So be careful, don't yarn in incorrect way. Just yarn like I have shown you. I'm going to do one more double crochet. Pull the yarn yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. Now we'll get 2 more loops, pull it through 2 more loops. So 3 double crochet we have done, including our first 3 chains. That will also become our first double crochet. Okay, now I'll be doing 2 chains. 1, 2. This will become the corner of our crocheted granny square. Okay, these 2 chains will become the corner. Now again I'll be doing 3 double crochet, yarn over, just like this, insert through the loop, pull the thread through the loop, hold it properly. It will make you easy for you to do. Okay, it will be difficult for you if you don't hold it tightly. Pull it through 2 loops and again pull it through the last 2 loops. Again we are going to do 1 more double crochet. Hope it's clear for you how to do double crochet. The second double crochet done, 1 more, the third double crochet done. Again pull it through 2 loops. Okay, 3 double crochet done. Now I'll be doing 2 chains. Just pull the loop through the chains like this. Okay, now our 2 chains are ready. Yarn over, I'll be doing double crochet, 1 double crochet done, second. So totally we'll be doing 3 double crochets. The second is done. Can you see? Okay. The third double crochet we are going to do. So the third double crochet we finished. So we should hold it firmly and stretch it. This is the basic thing. So 2 chains I'll be doing now. Again the corner of the crocheted granny square. Then again 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Just make some space for the third one. The third one. Finish. Now again just make some space and do 2 chains. 1, 2. Now we will be inserting the hook to the third chain. Initially we had done 3 chains, no? So into the third, 1, 2, 3, into the third chain we'll be inserting the hook and be doing a slip knot. Insert it properly, yarn over. Can you see? Yarn over. Now we'll get 2 loops. Yarn over, pull the thread through both the loops. So our first round is finished. You can see we got a perfect round. Now the second round. Okay, we'll be doing 1, 2, 3, 3 chains. We have done 3 chains. Again, yarn over, insert the hook. Can you see a space below the 3 chains? So you should insert the hook into that space. Be careful when you're doing this, okay? Can you see? You should insert the hook only into that space. Hold firmly. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So we got second double crochet. I've shown it before also. Again, the third double crochet. Pull through 2 loops. Okay. Now 1 chain. Just 1 chain you have to do. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we'll be doing yarn over properly and be doing 3 double crochet to the next space after 3 double crochet of the first round. Can you see that space? Into that space we'll be doing 3 double crochets. So first double crochet, we'll get 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. So first double crochet ready, the second double crochet, the third double crochet. Now since it is the corner, it is going to be the corner of a square, I will be doing 2 chains. Okay, 1 and 2. Then into the same space you have to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2. Hope everyone is thorough with the double crochet. 3. Now you can see we have created a corner. Now our circle is transforming into square. Now you tell how many chains we have to put. 1 chain. Again yarn over and into the next space we have to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2. This is our next corner, and 3. Then how many chains we have to put? Since it is a corner, we have to put 2 chains. 1, 2. And into the same space we have to do 3 double crochet into the same space how we did in the previous corner. Can you see? 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet, just 1 chain, 3 double crochet, and only in the corners we'll be doing 2 chains, and in the centerpiece we'll be doing only 1 chain. Then again 3 double crochet into the same space. The third double crochet. Now since it is the middle part, we'll be doing 1 chain, and into the corner space we will be doing 3 double crochet. The first double crochet, done. The second double crochet, and the third double crochet. Now since it is a corner, friends, we have to do how many chains? 1, 2, 2. Let me tell you one important thing. When you're doing the stitch, don't make it too tight or your mat will shrink inwards if you do so. Okay, now I'll be doing 2 chains since it is a corner. Can you see? In all the corners I'll be doing 2 chains. 1, 2. Just see all the corners I'll be doing 2 chains. You can see it has become a square. Now 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now since it is the middle part, I'll be doing 1 chain. There I did in the corners I did 2 chains, and the center part I did 1 chain. Now into the next space, can you see? I'll be doing 3 double crochet. 2. Since the second part of the corner is done already, I'll be doing 3 double crochet. Just yarn properly and inserting through the space, pulling the thread. Now 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now in the corner, how many chains? 2 chains. 1, 2. Can you see? All the corners I've did 2 chains. 2 chains I did. Now slip knot to the 3rd chain. Can you see? Just like this. Insert. Pull the thread. Now you got 2 loops. Pull it through the loop and tighten it. So our second round is ready. Now we got, in the second round, we made the circle to a square. Now we can add how many layers you want and you can make the mat in your desired size. Now I'll be showing the third round. As we did in the first and second round, the beginning we did with how many chains? 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now in the space under the under 3 chains, can you see? Under the 3 chains, there's a space. Insert the needle. Do the double crochet. 1 more. Now chain 1. Again 3 double crochet into the next space. Can you see? After the 3 double crochet of the second round, after that you got a space. Insert the hook into that space and do 3 double crochet. The third one. Now again chain 1. We have reached the corner. Now just listen properly. We'll be doing 3 double crochet. Can you see? And after that, in the corner, chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. Since it is a corner, I did 2 chains and again 3 double crochet. Now everything is same. Can you see? Just chain 1 and into the next space, double crochet 3. Second one and the third one. Now again chain 1. We have reached the corner. So how many double crochet we have to do? 3. 3 double crochet. The second double crochet and the third double crochet. How many chains? 2 chains. 1 and 2. Again 3 double crochet. We have to repeat the same in every gap. Just chain 1 in the center part and the corners, 2 chain, then again chain 1. Like that you have to continue till the end. Now our third round is almost complete. We have reached the corner. Now we have to do 2 chains. I've already done it, and slip stitch into the third chain. Just like this. Slip stitch. Done. Now we can add, as I said before, we can add how many layers you want. till you reach the desired size. Again chain 3, and in the space below the chains you do 2 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into that space, 3 double crochet into that space, and I'll show you one more time. So 2 double crochet into that space. I'm showing you one more time. Now chain 1, and after the 3 double crochet of the third layer, into that gap just do 3 double crochet. Now chain 1 and 3 double crochet into the next space. Now we'll reach the corner, so chain 1, 3 double crochet, 1 and 2 and 3. You see, chain 2, again into the space, in the same space we'll be doing 3 double crochet. So just continue in the same manner. So chain 1, 3 double crochet into the space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into that space. Now chain 1 will reach the corner. In that corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and continue the same till you reach the desired size. Now I'll be completing this level. I'll be doing the next level in the same way. Just chain 3, 2 double crochet, just how I showed you in the second and the third levels. In the same way you can add more and more levels till you reach the desired size. You can add how many levels you want. I'll be doing in the size of my table. I'll be doing it a little more big. Okay, after that, after doing it, I'll return back. Thank you.